In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Google Workspace using Google Chat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a conversation into a clear, trackable task that everyone in your space can see and follow. Start by opening Google Chat, either in your browser or the mobile app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct work account so your spaces and permissions are up to date. Next, open the space where you want to create the task. Spaces are shared rooms for teams and projects, and tasks created here are visible to all members of that space. If you're in a direct message instead, switch to a space to use shared tasks. Inside the space, look for the Assign Tasks option. Depending on your layout, you might see it in the toolbar or as a tab within the space. Click it to open the Task panel, which is where all shared tasks for this space live. Now click Add Task to Space. This ensures the task belongs to the whole group, not just your personal to-do list. You'll see fields to fill out. Start with the title. Keep it short, specific, and actionable. Something like Draft Q1 Report Outline rather than something vague. A clear title makes it easier for teammates to scan and prioritize. Add details next. This is where you provide context, what success looks like, relevant links, file locations, or any notes the assignee needs to get started. The more precise you are here, the fewer follow-up questions you'll have later. Set the date and time. Choose a due date that reflects the real deadline, and add a time if the task is time-sensitive. Keep time zones in mind if your team is distributed. Selecting the time here helps avoid confusion and keeps everyone aligned. When you're ready, click Assign. Pick the person responsible from the space members so ownership is clear. Assigning a task doesn't stop others from helping, it just makes sure one person is accountable. Finally, click Save. The task will appear in the space's task list and usually post a confirmation in the conversation so everyone sees it. From there, teammates can open the task to review details, and the assignee can update the status or mark it done when finished. A few quick tips as you work. Use concise titles, put specifics in the details, and choose realistic due dates. If requirements change, edit the task rather than starting a new one to keep history in one place. That's it. Simple, clear, and shared with your whole team right inside Google Chat.